You wouldn't bake a cake without checking the recipe, so why cast metal without a game plan? Casting might look simple. Pour molten metal into a mold, and voila. But the reality? It's full of surprises. Think shrinkage cavities, cold shuts, and porosity that can ruin your day. Here's where casting simulation steps in, like a superhero for your foundry problems. First, we model the part and mold in CAD. Then, simulation software predicts how the metal will flow, solidify, and where trouble might strike. Watch as we pour our virtual metal. See those red spots? That's the software screaming, here's where you get shrinkage defects. It even pinpoints spots for trapped air. Hello, dreaded porosity. But don't panic. This is where you turn problems into solutions. The software lets you tweak things, shift the gates, add risers, or change the pouring temperature. Run the simulation again, and bam! Defects start to disappear. By the time you hit the real foundry, you're not just guessing. You're casting with confidence, saving time, money, and a lot of frustration. So next time you're faced with a tricky casting, remember, a smart simulation today can prevent a casting catastrophe tomorrow. Stay curious and keep pouring smarter.